Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, pound US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got 3 lines drawn here on the chart, and if you are an experienced trader then you can easily recognize these lines and their purposes. So let's try to do the analysis first. Let's try to understand what is going on the chart of GBP USD, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Let's get started. So if you look at the overall chart of GBP USD here, then there should not be any doubt that this market is in downtrend. Yes, this market is in downtrend. You can see that there was a sharp recovery here, but overall the structure of the market is towards the downside. In simple words, the number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers on GBP USD chart. And if you look at the present trend of the market, then also there should not be any doubt that this market is in downtrend. Therefore, overall trend is also towards the downside and the present trend is also towards the downside. Therefore, there should not be any doubt that this is a seller's market. And as we all know, the thumb rule of the market, or the basic rule of the market, says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as we have clearly seen that this market is in downtrend, therefore it will be wise for us to look for selling opportunities only. Clear? So the next important point that we need to focus here is area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. The area of value or the best buying opportunity in an uptrend market is always near the support, whereas the best shorting opportunity in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. Let's assume if a market is going up, then you'll always get a better price when you'll buy at support, like here. You'll get a better price at support, because if you buy here or here, you'll be paying excess. And if a market is going down, then the best opportunity to short the market is always near the resistance. It means that you are getting a better price because you are following proper risk to reward ratio. That is the main funda here. Therefore, in a downtrend market, area of value is always near the resistance, and you can see that we have a resistance here in the form of a trend line here. And as you can see that market is seriously, GBP USD is seriously respecting this trend line as a strong resistance. Therefore, I'll request you, my dear friends, that you should also draw these lines in your charting platform so that you do not miss these opportunities. So first and foremost, your best trading opportunity in the chart of GBP USD is shorting the market in this particular portion. And if you have watched my previous video on GBP USD, then you are running in a profit right now, because I recommended a sell at this particular portion here on the Saturday. Anyways, if you have missed the opportunity right now, then my dear friend, you'll have to wait for some time to short the market in this particular portion here. So in the chart of GBP USD, this is a very good opportunity to short the market. This is your first trading opportunity, and your second trading opportunity is buy at this particular level. Previously, you can see that market was also respecting this trend line as a support for the market, but this is a seller's market, so going for buy at the trend line is a risky one. But this level 1.3755, this is a strong support from the weekly chart. This is a strong support from the weekly chart. Let me show you. This is the weekly chart of GBP USD here, and you can see that this level, this support level 1.3755, is acting as a strong resistance for the market for quite some time. And you can see that in the month of Feb, when market was going down, there was price rejection from below. Still, this level provided support to the market. Therefore, since February and March, this level is acting as a support for the market and still providing support to the market. And right now we are standing in August. Therefore, there should not be any doubt in your mind that this is not a safe level, because it clearly tells us that some big players, some institutional traders are present in this level and they are not allowing the market to go down at any cost. Therefore, you should always go for buy, or just click on the buy button at 1.3755 level, and hopefully you have understood the importance of the support of that support level right now. So your first trading opportunity is shorting the market here and going for a buy at this particular level, 1.3755, and you must also mark these levels in your charting platform. And if you are a trader on 1 hour chart, or if you prefer to trade on 1 hour chart, then you can also draw these lines on 1 hour chart as well. See, the drawing will be like this. I generally prefer to trade on 4 hour chart, so generally I do videos on the 4 hour chart as well. So if you want to trade on 1 hour chart, so this will be like this, lines will be like this. Okay, and if we go to the Forex Sentiment meter here, okay, you will find a Forex Sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. It is taking time to load. Okay, see, if you this is the Forex Sentiment meter. You can see that 50% retail traders have taken short position and 49% retail traders have taken long position. So retail traders are also quite confused right now in which direction the market will move. Just in case of Euro USD also, we have seen that traders are quite confused right now. They are in dilemma whether the market will be going up or down. Okay, and if you're wondering how much volatility or how much profit you can expect, then you must go to the Forex volatility calculator here and just go to GBP USD and see. In the 15 minutes you can expect a volatility or movement of 3.3 pips. In the 30 minutes you can expect a movement of 4.6 pips. In the 1 hour you can expect a movement of 10 pips. In that 4 hours you can expect a movement of 12 pips. So right now there is also not much volatility going on the chart of GBP USD right now. And one more thing, my dear friends, I have recently launched a Pro Trader membership program where I'll be sharing my daily analysis just for $15 per month. I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market right now, because it is not possible for every trader to go through all these currency pairs on daily basis. Generally what we do is that we only follow 1 or 2 pairs, but you can see that I have a long list of pairs. So I'll be sharing all the best trading opportunities available for each and every day. Okay, and if you want to know more about the program, then just go to the Pro Trader tab here. You'll find everything in detail. Okay. So you have understood what you need to do here. Short the market here and obviously go for a buy here. And if you want to know more about the movement, okay, if you want to go in detail right now, then you just go to the chart of DXY here. Just keep in mind that it is a chart of US dollar DXY chart. If dollar starts going up, GBP USD starts going down, and GBP starts going if dollar starts going down, GBP will be going up. And right now you can see that after taking support at this trend line, dollar is going up, but dollar does not have the strength right now. Therefore GBP USD is falling, but it also does not have the strength. Okay, anyways, just follow the steps that I told you and just wait for the perfect opportunity. That's it. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.